For the workshop in Vienna for migrant women empowerment, Be Yourself, Mental Wellbeing, we have aimed to find a location that is homey, comfortable, and helps participants to open all their 5 senses in a comfortable environment like this. Therefore, we have chosen a beautiful yoga studio in the center of the city where it's easy to reach by public transport also. We had even a beautiful garden set up by our volunteers and a registration table with lovely messages that are inspirational for the arriving participants.
We decided to create serial workshops in order to integrate women, migrant women, in their local places. So we started thinking how to engage them more and more.
Study their breathing. After the official opening ceremony and introductions of the project and each other, we have started to arrive to the space with some breathing exercises from pranayama practices in order to calm down the body and to be more aware of how the breath can affect relaxation and stress reduction for everyday life in any circumstances. Then we chanted the Om mantra for peace and well-being of each other and the world. After that, we started to get into the space and into our body by free movement, by going around and expressing ourselves in a way to energize the body and to get more familiar with each other. Then we moved into some partner exercises with weight shifting and balancing, which helps to gain trust, to surrender, and to be more aware of our own selves as well as with others. Then gradually from the partner exercises we moved to group setting exercises where trust and communication is key and one can practice further how it is to lead and follow. Then we had lovely refreshment with Ayurvedic food in the break time. Then we started to incorporate into the body feelings. How feelings are manifested in the body movement and how we are actually expressing them by movement. So we had 5 feelings that our participants had to feel through and express freely while the others were holding the space for them. in order to support everyone's learning in every role, we changed partners, and then the others who were watching became the performers and started to feel themselves into this movement and feelings through their bodies. After the activities, it is very important to have debriefing sessions where participants can share with each other how the experience was for them, how did they feel, and how was it to be in the different roles. Then we continued to further develop our knowledge and learn 3 sequences of pranayama, breathing techniques, which are very good for raising the energy and also to relax the body in a particular way.
For me, it was interesting the different steps of how intense can get. So I noticed the difference of the intensity of the first one. I felt.
Then we did Silva method visualization technique to find our ideal relaxation place. After sharing the insights, we asked participants to write a letter to themselves where they appreciate with positive psychology the way, the path that they have achieved until now, and to compliment their life goals and achievements. Then we concluded with affirmations by all.
We are all wonderful and should always remember this. We are all wonderful and we should always remember this.
Would make time for myself every day.
I will make time for myself.
Hi Magda.
Hi there.
What will you take from this workshop, from this experience today in Vienna?
I mean, first of all, I just really wanted to say thank you for everything you provided today and for organizing. I think it's been a lot of value for all of us. And I think my main takeaway from today is just be kind to yourself and remember about it every single day. And what I wanted to add as well, at the beginning of the workshops, I got this quote, and it's actually very important and very close to my heart, and that resonated with me.
Can you read it? What is it?
Okay, never underestimate the power of a woman on a mission to change the world.
Really powerful.
Really powerful.
So, how are you going to apply this experience and these activities today in your daily life?
I'm definitely going to use the breathing techniques to calm myself down, or when I'm in a very stressful situation to remember I'm in control. I have control over my emotions and how I feel, not the situation that's controlling. And I think probably this way, and also a little bit of network.
Of course, that's always on top of everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a perfect experience. I have never participated in such gathering in events. I only have tried to do some techniques at home, and it was very great experience, and I learned a lot. And I think I would recommend to my friends to try to, participate in such events in the future.
That was super valuable for me, and I learned a lot of things about myself, and I learned one very important thing I'm not going to share because it's super intimate, but that's information that I found in my body based on my reaction, and I believe that will work for me.